Hello to all of you. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to do exploratory data analysis using Pandas Profiling library in Python. So, exploratory data analysis is the first step in data analysis. It is a process developed by John Tukey in 1970s. In statistics, exploratory data analysis is an approach to analyze data sets to summarize their main characteristics, often using the visual methods. By the name itself, it suggests that it is exploring the data set. In exploratory data analysis, we have many plots, heat maps, frequency distributions, graphs, correlation metrics, along with the hypothesis by which an individual can understand what data is all about and what insights can be drawn by exploring the data set. There is a saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words. It can be modified for data scientists as a plot is worth 1,000 rows. Now, Pandas Profiling is a open source library, open source Python library that not only automates the exploratory data analysis process, but also creates a detailed EDA report in just few lines of code. Pandas Profiling can be used easily for large data set as it is blazingly fast and creates reports in few seconds. To use Pandas Profiling, first of all, we will have to install the library of Pandas Profiling. So I'll go here, I'll write on Pandas Profiling, pip install, enter. Once the installation is completed, I'll go in the Jupyter now. First of all, I'll have to bring the Titanic dataset here. So import pandas as PD. Titanic is equal to pd.read_csv. We write R for the smooth import of the data file, and we specify the path from where Titanic data is located. Then we will activate import pandas_profiling as pp, and I'll write down pp.profile report Titanic. After running this, I'll get the report of the data set. Here, overview is there. I can click on variables. I can click on interaction plot. I can click on correlations, missing value analysis, and sample. So we'll start with the overview. So it gives me the description that there are 14 variables and this much observations are there. Any missing cells are there. Any duplicate rows are there. How many categorical variables are there and how many numeric variables are there. So if it is a categorical variable, it will generate the bar chart. See, for survived, it generates a bar chart. Survived, yes or no. Name, all are unique and therefore it will not give me any chart. Gender. Now, if your variable is continuous, it will give you the histograms. After that, the another type of analysis which it can do is interactions. Now, here you have to select two variables. Say for example, fair and age or patch. So on that basis, it will give me what is the interaction between these two variables. So I can select one variable from here and another variable from here. It can also give me the correlations among all the variables. Correlations among all variables. So this is Spearman row, Pearson's R, Kendall's Tobby, Kramer's V. Okay. It also gives me the missing values. How many missing values are present in each variable. Okay. And it gives me the description of the sample and the last rows. So this is all about running Pandas Profiling in Python. For more videos on data science using Python, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos which are related to data science using Python. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button.